Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about Roam JavaScript extensions. So I recently found out about this site called roamjs, which is a place where a lot of extensions are stored along with JavaScript codes for them and explanations on how to use them. They allow you to do what you can't already do in your Roam graph, either by adding new features or by integrating with other apps, such as tweeting from your database, for example. So these extensions are built by developers in the Roam community. This site especially is really useful because it does not take a lot to install and understand the extensions, thanks to how clearly everything is organized and explained. Plus, from what I know, because I asked my mom, the guy who maintains the website is legit and well known in the community. Of course, there might be some other extensions out there, but this is a really good place to start. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Voila! First, go to roamjs.com. In here, you have a few options on where to click. Maybe we'll talk about these other categories another time, but for now, just click on Getting Started. In here, you have all of these JavaScript extensions, and if you hover over one of them, you have a quick explanation of what it does. We are going to use the Alert extension as an example in this video. Once you click on the extension you want to install, you have all of the information on how to install it and how to use it, as well as a demo video. You're going to click on Copy Extension, but you can also manually install it by following the instructions. Then, go into your roamjs page and paste it. Click on Yes, I know what I'm doing, and you're all set. As you saw earlier, there is also instructions on how to use it, and we will try them out. To use the Alert extension, you need to type 2 curly brackets and then fill in the window that will pop up. You can type in Alt-Shift-A to see the alert dashboards, where you can also delete an alert. And there is our alert. Now, I'll be showing you the extensions that I've used most so far. There is Excalidraw, which I found off GitHub, I think, and it is described as a whiteboard tool that lets you easily sketch diagrams with a hand-drawn feel in Roam. And don't worry, because we will make a video about that as soon as we can. Next is the Presentation extension, in which you can build slideshow presentations. As you can see, it looks really nice, and you can even customize it using themes. I found these themes on GitHub and used the iframe trick to embed the link in Roam. You can see how to do this with one of the videos on this channel. Next is image tagging. I use this a lot because I take pictures for my textbooks when I want to take notes, and then I just click on that little T at the top of the picture to activate this extension. Next is the Giphy extension, where you can insert GIFs from Giphy in your Roam graph. This is just an addition that is so fun to have in your Roam. I really find this roamjs site so useful, so don't hesitate to go check it out. It has added to my Roam graph, and I hope it will to yours too. We would really appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications when we post new videos. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.